Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change your computer or your laptop username, as you can see in the video. Now, I am going to change my laptop username, so let's start it. Go to your search bar and search for Control Panel. And here, as you see like that, then just going to change its category. Just click on a small arrow, and it has 3 options, but you just select category. And here, you will see your computer or your laptop user account. Then just click on change account type. And double click on your account profile. Then click on change the account name. Then here, you can add your new username for your computer or your laptop as well. And after you entered your new username, then click change name. Okay, now, my laptop username has been changed. Then I go to lock my laptop screen to see the result, and make sure my laptop username has changed successfully. Just hold Window key plus L to lock your computer screen. Okay, now my laptop username has changed successfully. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Thanks and bye for now.